Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the essentials. Identify your router model and confirm firmware is current because older firmware limits features. Once done, connect directly or via home Wi-Fi and open the router's admin page. Use the IP on the label or 192.168.0.1. Make sure you log in with the admin account, not a guest account. Before any changes, export or backup settings. That way you can restore if a change blocks access or behaves unexpectedly. Now you enable parental controls and create profiles for each child or device. You should add devices by MAC or reserved IP because names change and addresses stay fixed. This prevents accidental blocks. Next, set schedules for school, bedtime, and free time. Choose site categories or explicit allow/deny lists to match age needs. Make sure to set both web and app restrictions where available and to save each profile. The router often applies rules only after you click Save or Apply. Finish by testing rules on the actual devices. Try allowed sites, then blocked ones, and confirm schedules activate at set times. Once verified, enable logging and weekly activity reports so you can monitor usage and refine limits. If something breaks, first reboot the router and clear the device's browser cache, because cached pages can bypass blocks. If that fails, restore your backup and reapply rules step by step. Remember to update firmware regularly to keep controls effective and secure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.